ओ भाई क्या हो गया, आईना देख लिया क्या? Alright guys, make some noise for the panel everybody. We have Kim Kardashian from Kurla.
I think Urfi is the coolest name. You know what Urfi means? Very famous.
Oh man,
Yeah.
that's an oxymoron. अच्छा
How dumb some है.
मुझे क्या पता है मुर्गी जावेद